Hi everyone, this is Miss Amy from Southside Library, and today's video we are going to look at one of our online databases that if you have a library card you can use for free. So right now we are at our Santa Fe Library.org. This is our home page, so you can go ahead and go here. And to get to our online resources, we are going to go to Research Resources. And under that drop-down menu, there is an E-Resources. So we're going to click on that. And this brings us to our E-Resources page. Now, there are many videos. There are many videos about services that are available while the libraries are closed because of COVID-19. Here on the E-Resources page, there's a short little paragraph about how to get a library card. Even though the buildings are currently closed right now, I am recording this video on July 24th. If you're watching this video later on, you're always welcome to call or email the library to see if anything has changed. And this email address right here, this library@santafenm.org, is always monitored while the library is open. If you need help, just go ahead and send an email to that. We will get back to you. Some days we have a lot of emails, so please be patient with us, but we will get back to you. So we're going to scroll down, and this video we are going to talk about Kanopy. So this is our first database on the page, and Kanopy is what I think of as the fun one because it's movies, televisions, documentaries, and with your library card, you can check out 10 of these movies a month. So today is July 24th. I could check out 10 movies today, and then starting on August 1st, I would get another 10 movies. So we're going to click on Kanopy. And to get registered, you do need a library card number. So we're just going to go down here and the red button that says Add Library Card. Click in here. So put in your library card number. And then we're just going to put in my name and my email address and a password. And then click sign up. And that is literally how easy it is to sign up for Kanopy. And there are some videos, some short little videos to talk about how to do stuff. But my favorite part is the unlimited plays on Kanopy Kids. So we're going to go to Watch Now. And when you log in, this is what you will see. And so the new items, the popular items, this is where the 10 items a month apply to. But at the top, there is this Go to Kanopy Kids. We're going to click on that. And Kanopy Kids, there are parental controls, but there's also unlimited viewing. So you can just have a lot of fun. Now, one of my favorite things about Kanopy Kids is right here, there are so many awesome picture books that have been turned into short little films. So if you are missing getting a story time, getting a book read to you, please come here. I mean, Goldilocks and the Three Dinosaurs by Mo Willems, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, Creepy Carrots, You Are Not Small. These are all awesome, awesome picture books. And you can watch as many of these as you like. There are also films. We have a lot of PBS TV shows. And once again, everything in the kids collection is unlimited views, which is kind of nice because, you know, I don't know about you, but I can sit there and read a lot of picture books. I'm pretty sure I could sit there and watch a lot of picture books too. So this is something available to you. And if you just hover over, you can click either watch or add to my list. And if we click watch, it'll just pull this up, and it looks like it's a 10-minute story, and we can just click and go. And that's how easy it is. And then there are some other suggestions on the side. Now, one other, since this video is for my school-age families and teachers, under Browse, actually, we're going to exit Kanopy Kids, and we're going to go to Browse. There is, under instructional films and lesson, there is a whole collection about K through 12 lessons. I don't know how well they match up to the Santa Fe schools curriculums, but that is another option available to you. So, and if you'll see next to my name, there is a number 10. This is your countdown for how many movies, how many TV shows, how many items you can check out per month. So that will always count down and help you, and just help you keep track of this. So Kanopy is a really fun database. There's a lot here, and just something, if you have a library card, you have access to this. So I hope this video is helpful. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the library, and in the description of this video will be that library email address and hours of operations and help desk phone numbers. So you can always give us a call, we can help you out. And I hope everybody is doing well, staying safe, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today and learning about this video and this database. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye, guys.